What's up, guys? Welcome back to our Chainsaw Man episode 2 reaction video. In the previous episode, we got to see Denji absorb, kind of, Pochita. So now he's Chainsaw Man. And, yeah, he killed all the zombies. He's free of debt. He doesn't have to sell his nuts anymore.
Oh, God. Thank God.
And then the Secret Service people, they came.
Yeah.
And they're like, yeah, you can come work for us and we'll give you bread with butter or jam or whatever it was. And yeah, he's gonna have a good time. He loves that shit. And yeah, so let's get into the episode. Yes, mommy.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
Woof.
Oh no.
Wait, but he's a dog.
Yeah.
I just realized. Nope.
Yeah, better not say no.
He likes that even more.
Oh God. Ooh. She's rich.
Sugar mama.
Oh my goodness.
Why is he standing up like that?
Well then.
Oh, that was easy.
That was quick.
Some gyoza?
Man, this guy hasn't eaten anything in like, oh my.
Oh God.
Oh! Did it on purpose. He did it on purpose.
Cup of feel.
Your special case. Okay. Eat the dory.
On God. Except that's actually his best friend inside him.
That's true.
You're a good guy.
You're a good dog. Oh!
Yes, sir.
He's alive.
Oh, let's go.
Oh my God, real food. Has he? Maybe when he was little.
Can you? No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't.
Oh God.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go.
Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh man.
What the
He's
fuck?
getting straight into it. No,
Yo,
this guy
bro,
is
you're
down bad.
You're down horrendous, my G.
Oh, he's like heavy breathing.
I like guys who are like dogs.
Oh!
Yeah, buddy.
Obedient dudes.
She's dangerous. She's dangerous.
Honestly,
she's dangerous.
She knows the tricks.
Dangerous girls are the ones who know they're pretty.
Oh, yeah. Oh God.
What?
Makima. Down bad.
He's just like me for real.
One act of kindness. I love it.
I love her.
He's a senpai.
Yes, sir.
What? Bro. She ain't gonna be caught dead working with you. Oh no!
Yo,
She knows all the tricks.
She's dangerous. She's dangerous.
Oh!
She's dangerous. You can't
Tie the tie.
You cannot fuck with her. She's dangerous. Okay, I'm telling you. She's gonna ruin your life.
I'm scared. Oh, bro. You don't know what you're getting into.
Gonna beat the shit out of him.
Yeah. Don't you? Oh, my God.
I knew it.
Don't you dare. Oh my God. The disrespect.
Oh, my God. Yo, ain't no way, bro.
My God.
I wouldn't let that slide, but that's just me.
Jesus Christ.
No, sock him.
Oh. Okay, Denji.
Wait, that's kind of a bitch
what
move.
did he do?
He hit him in the nuts.
He did?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. What the
It's not nothing, bro. He's down bad. Maybe he's a real homie, you know?
Oh my God. This guy is just...
He's unhinged. He cannot quit.
Huh.
All for the bread.
You know, it's a better life than you had before.
Yeah, honestly.
Yes, sir. Not really. Whoa. Oh, she's Gojo.
Yeah, literally.
She's the Gojo of this world.
You save all your lives.
Wait a minute. Gojo is hot.
Yeah,
hot.
it all makes sense.
It's adding up now.
Oh man, Denji, bro. Aki's like, this guy is so fucking hopeless.
Jam!
Oh!
Jam! We made it.
Aki, you
Doing
fucking
a
disgusting,
fucking mess,
man.
yeah. Wait, he's a dumbass.
I know. Oh, come on, Denji.
I mean, this looks weak, but
He
like,
does look weak. What? Just an axe?
Is he already dead just like that?
What?
Do I need to?
Yeah, literally. He looks so weak. Oh god.
Tanjiro?
He's about to beat him up.
Tanjiro?
Literally. Oh god, this is so
That's
sad.
true. He was friends with a devil.
Yeah, exactly.
His only friend was a devil.
Oh god, no,
Oh my
Denji. Bro.
I mean,
Oh no. His dream is it to just eat the bread with jam?
and have a girlfriend. Kind of.
That's true. Makima, right?
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Oh, Denji. Bro.
Okay.
Denji. Why?
Touching boobs.
Denji. That's sexual assault. And she might kill you. What?
What the hell?
What?
She's a fiend.
Okay.
Like,
A devil who took over a human's body.
no, I was thinking if she meant like an actual fiend.
Oh, nah. What? You're one to talk.
Yeah, that doesn't make.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Denji, why? Oh no.
Ah,
They die.
Interesting.
Well then.
I mean, she's actually even more so.
Oh
What
god.
the fuck?
He looks like Aki now. Oh, Denji, why? Oh no, why?
Okay. Oh, I get it.
Oh.
If you can be friends with a fiend, you would.
Oh.
See? Holy
Oh
shit.
my god.
Wow.
Okay. Oh. Jesus Christ, man. Bro, that is nasty.
It's fucking crazy.
You want to touch those, bro?
Okay, so we just finished Chainsaw Man episode 2. And this episode, I feel like a lot of things happened.
Yeah.
He's living the dream. He's eating ramen, or udon, I guess.
Udon.
Jam, bread.
I mean, it was definitely a step up from like many steps up
Yes.
from like his life before.
He has a real house.
Oh, true.
Yeah. Living with his name
Aki?
Hayaka.
Yeah, yeah.
And now we know there's power Makima. All this, like, there's so much shit. He's so fucking down bad. Like, I get it. Like, he wants to touch them, you know. He just want a cup of feel. You know, he's got his bread. Like, he needs a goal in life. You know, people want to protect their families. People want to get revenge. He wants to touch some, you know, opais.
Oh
no biggie.
god.
It's a vibe, you know.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, everyone's a character. Like, everyone's very unique.
They're interesting. Yeah.
Powers looks like she's batshit crazy.
Oh yeah, definitely, 100%.
And yeah, I mean it's good. I mean Makima, I can't tell if she's a good person or a bad person.
She got something hidden in there. And that smile, you know, it's
she's
like
sus. She scares me.
But I mean, Denji didn't have a choice.
Yeah.
You know, he's gotta work.
True. That is very true. Like at the end of the day, Denji was gonna die anyway. Anything he gets, like from now on, is like extra.
That's true.
It's a plus.
That's true.
So he's vibing. He's living life. He's good. He's vibing. He's probably gonna die soon anyways. Like they see like that Hayako was like, yo, most people they die. You know, they die.
Yeah.
So
no, maybe he's different though. He's like.
I mean, he's definitely different. He is definitely different.
And like their team looks decently strong. I mean, we haven't seen Aki fight, but I'm sure he's pretty strong.
Oh, he's probably
right?
monster actually.
Yeah.
I feel.
So I mean, they have a decent squad as long as they like get along, you know.
Yeah. So it seems like a pretty good time. Very fun episode. And yeah, I think that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff. And we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.
Bye.